Guangdong Fudiankang Diesel Generator Co., Ltd., a global leader in diesel generator set supply. We own a 20,000 square meters modern production facility with an annual output of 2,000 units, ensuring strong delivery capabilities. Since its establishment in 2000, FDK has remained dedicated to innovation and excellence in diesel generator technology. To meet urgent customer demands, we maintain an inventory exceeding $80 million, ensuring fast delivery. While imported engines typically require 4 months for delivery, we can provide the most popular models QSK60G4, QSK60G23, KTA38 series, and KTA50 series within just 1 month. We integrate globally renowned engine brands with our proprietary R&D technology, ensuring each generator set delivers high performance and long lifespan. We have deep collaborations with world-class brands such as Cummins, Perkins, and Stamford, and we are China's premier OEM manufacturer for Cummins G-Drive engines. Every generator undergoes rigorous testing and complies with ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and CE certifications, ensuring exceptional performance and safety. FDK boasts a professional international sales team and seasoned engineers, allowing us to respond swiftly and provide expert solutions for any customer needs. With over 20 years of expertise, we are driven by technology and committed to the R&D and manufacturing of diesel generator sets. Our products are exported worldwide and widely used in industrial, commercial, and emergency power supply applications, contributing to global energy demands. Our international certifications and industry accolades attest to our professional excellence. With a mission of providing reliable power solutions for our customers, FDK is committed to becoming a benchmark in the global generator industry.